What's going on, YouTube? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Edward. I am a father of 4.
My dad is a gynecologist.
A husband.
That jerk forgot our anniversary!
Keep her away from me!
An everyday working man.
Our mom says that our dad is a real sex machine.
I work a 9-to-5 job just like anybody else, and I build my car on a budget.
I can tell you I don't have money.
For those of you that have been riding with me for the past 7 months, thank you. And if you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. I want to take the opportunity to talk to you guys for a second and let you know that there's going to be some upcoming changes to the channel. I know that building the car can be a little repetitive and a little boring at times. I wanted to switch things up a little bit. I'm going to split the channel up into a series. There's going to be the build series, which focus primarily on building the car.
Nice.
We're going to do topic series, which basically it gives me the opportunity to talk to you guys about different things that are on my mind. It also allows me the opportunity to share some of my experiences and my knowledge, as well as introduce some dialogue.
What do you want to discuss now? My favorite color?
The way this is going to work is have the build series, still be building the Civic. That's not going to change. That's what primarily this channel was based on. I want to delve in deep into the car community.
I love that car more than anything that I have.
Car culture.
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
Social media.
What's up, guys? My name's Robert Lovely. Today I'm going to show you my 92 Honda Civic with VTEC and Doge.
All that good stuff. I want to showcase the people that make up the car community.
Sell the metal!
The people that start the car meets.
Oh. Meeting adjourned.
Put on the car shows, put on the events. People behind the scenes, like the guy that works at the counter behind your local parts store.
And they were married, but then they switched from the swing line to the Boston stapler, but I kept my swing line stapler because it didn't bind up as much.
I want to sit down and have conversations with them.
You and I are going to have a conversation.
Get to learn more about them, get to learn about the car community and car culture from their perspective. I think it'd be very entertaining. I also want to do reviews. Now, that means doing product reviews as well as reviewing some of the projects that I've already done on the Civic here.
Tuneless, mediocre, and horrible.
You know, going back through and give you guys an update, a review and an update on how it's going, whether it is good, whether it was bad.
I've got it under control. I've sorted it out. We're good.
Whether it was it was a mistake. Whatever the case may be.
You're goddamn right.
So there's going to be some changes to the channel. It's not going to be anything drastic, so don't run away.
Buckle up, buckaroo!
Moving forward, I'm going to be talking to you guys a lot more. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get ready for a new adventure.